Hi, how This is Pedro here from conexxo corp. This is a project that we did. It's a Travertine that we had to restore. Um, the client colors that he was concerned, the Travertine looked very dark. There was a lot of dirt on it, and he wanted restored the whole pool deck and the other areas of Travertine. And it took us about 2 weeks to finish, from start to finish. As you can see, we grinding the concrete and the Travertine, and it was a very difficult job because there was a lot of edges. As you can see, there's edges everywhere that the machine cannot get to, and the difficulty was, getting all those edges and making, white, as you can see right now that we cleaning it to get it ready to seal. But yeah, we had to do many passes, about 6 passes with the machine to get the travertine level. Don't take out the cedar because there was a lot of cold cedar on it. And as you can see, yeah, we had to scrub it, we have to pressure clean it, and then we had to pass a wet dry back so we can, dry the floor, and as you can see here, here's the final result. As you can see, it's very light, the travertine compared to what he had. The thing is that travertine, if you don't um, grind the surface, you're never gonna get like a light travertine. It's gonna be like kind of dark, and there's gonna be a lot of imperfections, a lot of lippage, And with the machine, what we do, we take out the lippage because the machine, the grinding machine, makes it level basically. As you can see, it's pretty much level here. Especially here that the travertine is on top of the concrete, just like a very sound surface. Downstairs, as you can see here, down by the pool, the travertine is a little bit uneven. We try to make it as even as possible, but it's on top of sand. So yeah, there was a lot of travertine that was, they had to take out. We put it again because it sank. And yeah, but we make it level as much as we can. And yeah, as you can see, yeah, the flow came out fantastic. The client was very happy with it. But yeah, it took us very, grueling 2.5 weeks to finish this project. It was about 4,200 square feet. Yeah, I was pretty happy with the results. Cannot complain. And yeah, the client was really happy with it. Yeah, it came out really, really good. And thank you for stay tuned. Hit like the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.